Never use flash when you're taking a picture, because one time I was on the bus and there was this guy that was trying to fit his whole fist in his mouth. Don't ask why, I don't know. But he was getting really close to actually fitting it, so I was like, this guy is crazy, I need to record this. But obviously I didn't want him to see me recording, so I got my phone out and I pretended to take a selfie so he wouldn't be suspicious. But what I didn't know is that my flash was on, so I press record and immediately the light just flashes in this guy's face. And this guy is naturally just kind of crazy looking, you know what I mean? So he quickly turns his head with his eyes wide open and he's like, twitching like this, and I'm thinking this guy's gonna bite me or something. So I panicked and I threw my phone across the bus, and now this is what my phone looks like. I can't even see the time anymore. So I guess that's what I deserve for recording a stranger in public. My bad, bro, but I'm never